Morning swim done. That was perfect. On a mission to get some firewood.
Just come down here, check it out. It's low tide at the moment, but we're gonna come back tomorrow morning. Might come for a morning fish. I don't know, something to do, see how we go. Brought the rods and stuff, but suss it out while it's low tide, and tomorrow morning it's high tide too, so see what happens. I'll put the drone up and you guys can watch some of that footage of this area. Yeet!
Little platy. Work smarter, not harder.
Send it. Lunchtime. Leftovers from last night. Quick and easy. Job.
Hey guys.
Not the new show.
I think Mum said you're keeping it on, Papa. No.
Nobody else,
Alright, we're back at camp now. We've got some firewood here, got our fire pit ready. We'll chop all this up a bit later. It's pretty hot at the moment, but we're going to play a game. I don't even know what it's called, but we'll get some footage of that. It should be pretty funny, I reckon.
Chuck the wooden
Because these
thing.
guys suck. Oh, yes. Some chicken drummies. Been sitting in a bit of marinade too.
Oh my god.
Alright, we're playing now. He's got to knock those over, but there's a certain amount he's got to knock over.
They're making a bridge.
He's the youngest, so he's got to start. Here we go, send it. Yeah, not a bad start.
Before we go.
So now we got to count all the ones that are actually knocked over. The ones that are standing don't count. I'm up to 42, so it's first to 50. So I have to knock over this 8. So I'll set you guys up over here. See if this is the money shot. Bit on an angle. Caked it.
Oh, let's go.
Here we go. Meat patties, burgers, but with bread.
Why did you didn't get a fish?
Someone just like
The fish got my fish. Suckers. Hey, Ted, it's a fish.
We'll take it home.
Yes, Daley, nice one.
Little trevally off the
That
slug.
was sick. I wish I caught
Oh
that.
man, finally got it, eh?
Drop off for sure.
Oh, fish on. Oh. Oh, Jenna, eh? What do we got? Oh, Jack.
What is it?
A Jack.
Jack.
I think.
Grabbing!
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's good size. He's good size.
Grabbing!
Jack! Solid Jack! Yo!
44, eh?
I'm just
Not
taking a
bad.
video.
Hurler. Just finished. Broke a cast net. Well, we caught a javeli off the gold slug, and Jenna caught a mangrove jack 44. But we're finished up here now. We're going to head back to... We're going for a swim, eh?
Camping!
Alright, we'll go. We've just come up to Little Crystal. Quite a windy drive, but we're here now. We're just on the bridge, contemplating jumping off here. all the way down there. So you have to aim around there, probably catch a few branches on the way down, but about 30 meters. Not sure if we're gonna do it, but apparently this is the spot most people go off. All done for the day, I think. Back from Little Crystal. Obviously we didn't jump off the bridge. Got a bit too scared for that one. I think for the rest of the night we might get some more camp firewood and just have a campfire, some beers, chill for the night. I think for now we're just gonna chill for the afternoon, play a few games. Yeah. Cheers everybody. Change of plans. I'm going for a quick swim now. Everyone wants to go for an afternoon dip. One last dip. So, alright. We out there. And we're back. Well, that brings our weekend to an end. All packed up. Gonna go for one last dip. 7:30. Everyone's loaded, ready to go. Saying our goodbyes.
Oh, you going with them? Bye-bye.
Jump license.
One last dip before we head home. Just gonna enjoy the last couple minutes and then we're off. Back to reality.